This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and there's a CN train coming through at the Dorval ramps. Westbound. This is an interesting one. Second train I've got today here, March 14th, 2020 rather. Here it is. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a tank train. And I'm going to back up, try to get a higher ground view of it. Here we go. We got some interesting cars coming up. Maybe. You never know. Thing with freight trains, you never know what's going to come. So here's the Dorval ramps. One of my favorite spots to train spot. Nice new CN hopper car. No graffiti. That's what I like to see. Green Procores. I don't know what that means, the green. So in the distance, the Dorval station. I thought the DPU was coming, so I kind of wanted to get a closer shot, not a distance shot. That's the end of the train. Okay, so we'll have the distance shot now. There's Dorval station. There's the parking lot, and there's the train headed west. Right there. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to Go Trains in Montreal. Looks like there might be 2 other people there filming trains. Alright.